Hello. So I'm doing a fridge clean out. Have a lot of stuff I gotta clean out. My fridge definitely needs it, as y'all can see already. And then I'll get an idea of what I would need to buy at the store after, not today, but a different day that I can, when I go to the store, so I don't have to keep just buying a bunch of stuff I don't need. And please don't mind my dishwasher's running right now, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy. So I'm gonna use, there's not a lot to spray. I might use some wet wipes, Clorox wipes, because, and I got more, so let's go get another cleaning agent. But we're gonna get in these little crevices and stuff as well, because I noticed that crumbs and stuff for some reason be between the flaps of the fridge, so we're gonna clean all that. Thankfully mine is not that dirty, but either way we still gonna clean it, because we're gonna go all the way down, all the way up. Okay, now let's do this side, all the way down. Alright, so now, open this up, one thing at a time. Look at this little jelly stuck to the fridge. It's nasty. It's all sticky and stuff. We definitely gotta clean that. Clean anything that's staining. So, I'm going to take these off too. In the sink. How to get this one off? I don't think this one will come off. Oh well, I got this. This is empty. Just going to use a rag. I'm gonna get some soapy water. Wipe this down. That's fine. So I'm gonna get use some Dawn soapy water, hot water. But this fridge ain't that bad right now. Like, it's dirty, kinda. It's not as bad as it could be. Okay, these ones don't come off. Okay. I wanted to get some tasks done today, so I'm on the last of the dishes. And then I cleaned the stove top and inside the oven a little bit, and I did put a load of laundry in, so this is my fridge that needs to get clean. And it's not terrible right now, but still needs it. This water's hot. I got me a bucket of soapy water. And this will do just fine. You don't need to do a whole bunch of extra stuff. All you gotta do is wipe it down with some soapy water. And clean every side of it. The doors, the handles, every high touch surface. Y'all can see me. Alright, y'all. So, that part is done. I will clean this handle. Not handle. But alright. This is clean. I'm going to stick it back on. Alright, cool. So, we're going to put smaller stuff up here. Milk. My little salad dressing I usually make. If y'all have seen that video, check it out if you haven't seen it. Actually, you know what? I need to wipe these or wash these off. Just in case they have any sticky stuff. I need to be able to wash them off. See how this one has like stuff? I don't want that to stick back on the fridge. So I'm just gonna kind of wash it off. Got my butter. Got me some olives. I know it's a bunch of random stuff, but oh well. We eat it, so it don't matter. Some jalapenos, some salsa. Make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. The jelly, definitely, is the sticky thing. Gotta wash that off real good. Oh, I forgot one more milk. Go behind that. Got me some pickles. Alright, so the top part is done. I'm gonna put this kids multivitamin in here as well. I'm gonna put it behind that. Okay, now to the condiments. Okay, I'm gonna do the ketchup because it's the biggest. And we're gonna put it over here. I'm gonna go by bottle size. I know lemon juice is not necessarily a condiment, but I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Okay, what's next? This one? Southwest Ranch? I know y'all don't care. Just showing you. Soy sauce. Make sure that This is refrigerator after opening, yeah. I got a little bit of time before I use that up. Got some Chipotle ranch. Alright, got some BBQ. Got some sweet and sour. You know what? I'll put all my like other types, like the ketchup and sauces for like sandwiches and stuff. And these are pickled red onions. I'm gonna put this jar on the bottom. And this one too. Pepperoni. Making sure I wipe it before, or wash it off before. The mayo. This one's almost gone. Okay. Gonna do that. Some mayo and mustard. Alright. So look how much better this looks. Just the doorway. Do y'all see this? It's super clean. Everything's clean. Now it's time for this. And it's not that much, honestly. But we still gotta do it because we need to clean the inside of the fridge. And I've been putting this off. Got my water. This is my Brita water filter container. So, yeah. Anyways, got some blueberries. I don't think these are good anymore. I don't know. I got some vanilla yogurt. Some eggs. Some mushrooms. Some bacon. Some lettuce that's bad that I'm gonna throw out. See? Bad. Bagels. Turkey. Some grapes. I know you guys have already seen my grocery haul, so if you have, I don't know if you have, but some of these. So I'm gonna take out the first one and wash it. Be very careful. Okay. Oh, shoot, I forgot I had other eggs. See, when you do a fridge clean, that's when you start finding other things you didn't realize you still had. Got some cottage cheese. Got some lettuce mix. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Got some stuff in the back of the fridge that I have not used. I don't know how good it is though. That don't look good no more. Still got some pot stickers. Got a cucumber. Need to use this stuff up, especially produce. When does this expire? March 29th. Yeah, this expired. Okay, I got more sour cream that's not opened. Wait, is this one open? Yeah, this been opened. I'm gonna throw that. A couple months old. I got my cheese drawer that I need to wash. Definitely wash. Over here. I'm gonna wash the first, what you call them? The first container right here, or not container. First drawer thing. Shoot, I have other dishes in the other sink. That's my bigger sink. So we'll see how this one goes. We shall see how this goes. This is pretty quick though. The last time I had to do a fridge clean, man, the thing took about an hour. Well, that's because I had more groceries. This was not as dirty as I thought. I mean, it still needed to be cleaned for sure, but it definitely was not as dirty as the other times I had done fridge cleans. So, it was pretty good. Alright, we're going to just do it like this. Kind of maneuver it. Alright, now we're going to do this side. Then we're going to stick it back in the fridge. Alright, y'all. It's clean enough. Actually, I can't put it back in the fridge. I don't know what I'm talking about. I got to clean that fridge before I stick it back in there. Okay, here's my rag. Right here. Alright. We gonna clean this top part. Where that stuff was. And it's not even that dirty. Which is awesome. I was expecting this thing to be way worse. But it's not. I'm proud. Proud of my family. So, that one can go back in. No, it wasn't. It was like that. I can leave it like that. Yeah, I can leave it like that. And I can put bigger stuff like this in here. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do. So, there's my egg container at. All these different things, that's what we're using. There's my lid for it. Need to find it. We're not gonna worry about the egg container. Because honestly, I don't know where it's at. The lid for it. I could just literally keep them in here without the lid. You don't really need them. Actually, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Who cares? It's too much work. Okay. I have no idea where it's at right now. So, I'm gonna do this. We're gonna put this one in the back. I don't know. We'll put these together. The second one. I don't know. Get dairy on the second one. Alright. I'm gonna try something. Wash this one. Wash this real quick. Alright, y'all. So, this one is done. What am I doing? I don't know why I keep trying to put it back in there. You know I gotta clean it. That's why. This ain't even dirty either. It's wrong. Really towards the end of the fridge is more dirty than anything. Alright. I'm gonna wash the bottoms of these two. Cause a lot of germs. Peppers. Alright. I don't know. You look to the back. Oh, where am I going? Milk. Alright. So, go to the back. Go to the front. I'll put my water on this level. Put my dairy stuff on this level. Wash this stuff off. Make it clean. Before I put it back in here. Got my yogurt, cottage cheese, cream cheese. Alright. So that's all that. And we're going to take out our cheeses. Clean the cheese board. It's dirty. Y'all see this? Dirty. Alright. So now, what I'm going to do is also wash the bottoms of the cheeses in case there's any nasty stuff. And I do put them in order from the expiration date. So if something's going to expire sooner, it's going to be to the front. Because, yeah, we need to use this. Alright. Y'all know how cheese works. So, this will go first. Back. I got all types of cheese, and the reason why I buy the bulky cheese is because, see, much better. It's because I can always like shred this to make shredded cheese, and this is the real cheese. It's not that fake fake tasting one. Like American cheese is like not real cheese basically. I don't know, but anyways, this has 7 grams of protein for just this extra sharp cheddar. I got all types of cheese. I am gonna add my turkey breast meat in here because most of the time I'm gonna make sandwiches and I need that with it. So this is something I did cook probably 1 or 2 days ago. Y'all seen the recipe. If you have not seen it, it's the 1-pot chicken and veggies. It's almost done, but it's still left over. So it should still be good. I am gonna probably put this on the bottom. I'm gonna put these bagels on the top and these wonton wrappers. I don't know if you're supposed to have eggs this high up next to the light. I feel like, I don't know. Let me know, you guys, in the comments which like if that's okay to have the eggs up there. I don't know. I feel like it is, but I don't know. Could be too hot. So I got my veggie drawer, one of my veggie drawers, and I got like 3 things of carrots. My kids love carrots. I love carrots. I need to close those ones up better. And then got some green beans. So I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, so these ones are probably the dirtiest. Where they're sitting at, everything falls down to the bottom. So I could definitely see that where these were sitting is more dirty than the rest of the fridge. So I'll clean this up. Make sure there's nothing nasty in here. Before we put our produce back in here. And then we're gonna put our veggies back in. Actually, we're going to do both. I don't know why I didn't take this out yet. Alright, we're going to take all of it. This is not... It's so good. I don't know. Celery. I have to wash this. So they have it ready. y'all do the fridge clean out? 'Cause like, I feel like if you have kids or like a family of your own or whatever, or if you have people just living with you, it should be done pretty often because like everybody uses the fridge all the time. But at the same time, it's kind of like a lot. Cause like y'all seen how like often I go grocery shopping, and it's not realistic to always do it. I should do it before every grocery shop, to be honest. I haven't been doing that. Oh shoot. Okay, this one's gotta be careful because the glass is gonna break. Okay. Whew. Okay. I might need to take a break and do the freezer separately, honestly, because right now I'm already getting worn out and I really need to take a break before I start the freezer. So that might be a separate video if you stay tuned. Let me know in the comments which videos y'all like that I post, so I can share more of those videos. I feel like the cooking ones, maybe, the recipe ones, I've seen a lot of people comment on those, or, well, the cleaning ones too, honestly. But I feel like cooking, because people always want ideas of what to eat and how to make stuff. If you don't know how to cook, you really can learn it so easily on YouTube. There's so many creators out there that do cooking videos, and you literally can learn from them just by watching them or doing it while they're doing it. It's so much easier. But I've always loved to cook, and I've been cooking since I was young. So like for me, that's different. I do like to get like inspirations, and like watching different videos gives me ideas of like meals I can make, to like make it my own. So it just really depends on, you know, on you. And there's so many different types of food and diets, not diets, but like, you know what I mean. Like, everybody's different, everybody's food type is different, and so, like, there's always a video out there for somebody. I'm really short, so it's going to be hard to see me. I think I'm going to always clean this nasty old thing. Look how nasty that is. It's like food is sticking to it. All this nasty old stuff. like a brush for straws and stuff. Oop. If y'all could see. Oh shoot. Okay. See? So I'm getting on through these crevices. Obviously, I'm not gonna use this for any more straws since I did this. But I do have another straw brush I could be using, or I can use for the straws. Look how nasty that is. Ugh. Nasty old stuff inside of here. It's like a, I don't know what you call it. It's like vents, basically. It's like when you're cleaning out a vent. Alright. Alright, so that is clean. I will be cleaning. Y'all see this right here? This bottom part? Disgusting. So I'm going to clean this up real quick before. Where's my towel? Is it in here? Nope. Nope, it's not in there. Oh, it's in the sink. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to be moving this stuff out the way. So I can sweep this up, mop it up. Did y'all see this? Make sure this stuff is clean. There's nothing over here that's, you know, nasty. Alright. What y'all think? Is it good? Put the stuff away. Nasty old stuff. Okay. So now, I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna go put this in here. This is the humidity control. So I'm gonna put Alright, y'all. So that's in. So now we can put this glass back in. So, this looks bad. Throw this away. There's some good carrots. Carrots down there. These are kind of There's the need to be eaten soon. Probably gonna give those to the kids for like a snack. We gotta eat these green beans sooner. I'm gonna put it in the bottom one. I'm gonna put my food over here so we can eat it up quickly. I'm gonna put the bacon down here. It's in a Ziploc, so it shouldn't matter. Put some of this hot dog, the peppers down here. Put the celery in here. These berries are bad. These grapes have like a little bit of time. This cucumber is gonna need to be eaten soon. So I'm gonna put that in the bottom. So the meat I pushed back because I'm not gonna use it now, but what y'all think now? Look how beautiful this looks. It's so clean.